Hi everyone, I'm just going to do a quick video here on mounting a body onto these magnetic posts. I've seen so many ways on YouTube and they all seem to struggle, to be honest. I think the way I do it is probably easier and more precise. So let's assume that you've got your posts where you want them. Your body shell fits on nicely. So we'll take the body shell, just sit it on, line it up where you want it, then just take one magnet and drop it on. There you go. Little piece of sellotape, tape it into position. There you go. Then we want to lift the shell off, flip it over. You'll see I've already marked one there. Get your magnet and just drop it in. And that's it. Just draw a line around that. Remove the magnet, put your glue in, drop the magnet back in, and it will be spot on every time. I hope you find this useful. Thanks for watching.